Hi friends, this is Vijay Kumar, admin and founder of TechW3 Web app. I welcome you to my podcast. In this podcast, I am conferencing some important topic about Salesforce and application development. Friends, I created a powerful course in Salesforce development for you. I want to help that developer who really want to learn Salesforce application and development and want to start their journey in Salesforce. Friends, someone thinking I am selling course for earning money. But friends, from this podcast, I am revealing my thought and emotion. My purpose is creating a course for not earning money. My purpose to create Salesforce and web development course to help that student who really want to learn web application and development and grow their journey in Salesforce in life. My course price is not too much costly. All of the course price between 1400 to 1800 Indian rupees. I listed all of my courses on my website www.thevijaykumar.in, where you can review and go through the course curriculum details. If you are enroll my course, I will be provide to you lifetime access. You can access my course on mobile app and web browser as well. Friends, if you want to start their journey in Salesforce, install my app TechW3 Web from Google Play Store and start your Salesforce journey from today. After enrollment my course, you will become part of our community of Salesforce development. If you are stuck in anything during learning course, I will give additional technical support to you. The benefit of my course are you can access anytime and anywhere because my course listed on mobile application. Also, I am giving you a unique username to access my course on your laptop as well. Because if you are access from laptop, your learning become very easy. Friends, here I am reminding to you, I am building a community of Salesforce and web application development so that my course price very low between 1400 to 1800 Indian rupees. For that student and developers really want to learn, join my Salesforce development community. For more detail of my course curriculum, visit my website www.thevijaykumar.in. Friends, if you are searching outside of market, same course you will get more than 10,000 Indian rupees. Friends, someone saying Udemy provides same courses in very cheapest price, so why I enroll your course? Just I would like to say that student, the biggest difference between my course and Udemy course. Udemy sell only course, they don't provide technical support. If you are stuck in anything or your functionality not working properly, they don't give support. If you are enrolling my course, I will give additional technical support and lifetime access as well. During the learning of my course, if you are stuck in anything or your functionality not execute properly, in this case I will provide technically additional support to you. Also, I supporting to you building a proper format of resume. If you searching a job, I will guide you what type of question you need to prepare, how to crack interview. Friends, I will give you fully support as per my experience that I learned from more than 15 years in IT fields. I really want to help that student and software developer who want to start their career in web and Salesforce development. Friends, now I am going to announcement for you. For my community enroll members students who enroll my any of the course like LWC, Aura Framework, Visual Force Page, REST API integration, I am giving a bonus gift. I will provide soft copy of code in PDF format for all of the videos lecture for the course of LWC, Aura Framework, Visual Force Page, REST API integration, so that you will save lot of time, effort and energy and your practice will be very easy. Friends, I know during writing a code, sometime you will get syntax error. If you have soft copy of code in PDF format, simply you will be able to copy the code so that there are no chance to get syntax error if you are creating a functionality in VS Code or developer console in Salesforce.org. So friends, I know outside of market they provide course only video format. They do not provide soft copy of code in PDF format. I only provide lecture in video of course along with soft copy of code so that you can learn very easily and save lot of time, effort and energy. So friends, at the end, just I want to say to everyone, invest some money to learning because free content you don't give value. If you pay some money to learning, then you will give attention. If you give attention, then you will take action. If you take action, then you will get result in life. So moral of this podcast is always ready to invest some money to learning. Now I am very confident to say that if you are completed my course curriculum, your technical confidence level will be increased very high and you are able to work in office independently. Now I would like to thanks to everyone for listening carefully and giving me time. Thank you so much once again.